Hello, little friends. Welcome to Lily and Heidi, EQ and STEM for kids. It's time to read, learn, and have fun together. What's your name? Now you say it. What's your name? My name is Lily. Can you repeat after me? My name is Lily. Nice to meet you. Now you say it. Nice to meet you. How old are you? Now it's your turn. How old are you? I'm 6 years old. Now you say it. I'm 6 years old. Let's play. It's your turn. Let's play. Look at this. Say it with me. Look at this. It's my toy. Can you say it? It's my toy. I want to play. Now you say it. I want to play. I like ice cream. It's your turn. I like ice cream. It's hot today. Now you try and say it. It's hot today. I'm hungry. Can you say it? I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Now you try. I'm thirsty. I'm sleepy. It's your turn. I'm sleepy. Have a nice day.